Hi, my name is Mary Troutner, and I'm an independent demonstrator for Stamping Up. I'm also the team lead for the Happening Stampers, which is a group of demonstrators, my downlines, that form a team. Today, I'd like to take the opportunity to invite you to become a member of the Stamping Up family and the Happening Stampers. I really love Stamping Up, and I really love the company. The statement of the heart, it's almost like our motto, is to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. Now, we do make a difference, not just by providing people with cards and stuff, but there is a lot of things you can do. I've been a demonstrator for 13 years. The first 8 of them, I'll tell you, I came in it just for the discount. I'd got 20% off. And in my hobby, 20% off is pretty good. Now I can get up to 25% off and even more depending upon my downlines and how much I sell. So you do make some money out of it. And really the best deal is getting the starter kit. For $99, you get $125 of product that you pick out. We don't pick it out for you, you pick it out. So you can get anything that Stampin' Up sells for $125. So you could get the Big Shot, which is $110 usually for $99, plus get $15 worth of product, more product. You can also choose maybe all one thing, such as you'd want to get all of the stamping pads, or you want to get some stamping sets, anything you want. And right now during Sale-A-Bration up until March 31st, you also then will receive 2 free stamp sets. That's free stamp sets. Any stamp sets that Stampin' Up sells, you get for free. So on top of the $125 worth of product, you get 2 stamp sets. Now, you can't do any better than that, I don't think. But, you know, there are some other great things that Stampin' Up does. Stampin' Up demonstrators get to see and purchase products before anyone else. I love that. That was the second reason I joined. As a demonstrator, you'll have opportunities to be among the first to try new products. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the Stamparatus. That's the new stamping device. It aligns the stamps and stuff like that Stampin' Up is selling. It's like the Misty, but I think it's a lot better. Anyhow, I was on the team that helped design it. I already have mine. Everybody else is waiting for theirs. But I got mine because I helped design it. And the demonstrators get things early. When a catalog comes out, we have what's called the pre-order. About a month beforehand, you can pre-order stuff from the catalogs. So you have it. I love that. I loved also being able to get into the know of what's coming down the line before everyone else. That, to me, was it. As a demonstrator, nothing brings people together like creativity. I love to teach. I do. I love to teach stamping. I love to teach how to make cards. It's just a passion with me. And that is so great when you're a demonstrator because I help others discover a love for stamping, people who've never done it. I share my favorite projects with my customers. I discover new artistic techniques. Oh, I'll tell you something. I discovered how to paint or take a photo with a stamp set. I've got a class going on. It's called Stamp a Month Club. And this month, we're doing waterfront. Now, I used to work at Guadalupe Mountains National Park. I have a bunch of pictures from there. So I took one and I made the same photo. I made it with the waterfront stamp set. Perfect. I mean, my husband said it really looked great. You discover the new artistic techniques. That's one of those. And then you draw inspiration from the Stampin' Up family. no matter where I go, I find somebody who knows about Stampin' Up. I can go almost any place and the see somebody who is a demonstrator. I just have to go to the Facebook site or the Stampin' Up business demonstrator site, and there it is. I'm heading to Arizona. Is anyone going to be in the area? Oh yeah, no problem. And you can meet up with them, and that's what I love. I love all the events. You go to events and you meet these people. I've made friends with people who I would never have made friends. We went to a convention and I roomed with somebody I never knew, and Jane is my best friend. She is just a doll. Rosemary, who we now met at that first convention I went to, is a good friend, and we're always rooming together at conventions and what this now called the On Stage. And I really like it. You need to really get into doing business your own way. I worked for the government for a long time, and you had to do it a certain way. With Stampin' Up, you can do it any way you want. Want to take a week off? Take a week off. You want to do online business? Just do your online business. You want to do just classes? Just do classes. They don't tell you how to do it, and they don't care if you're out there pounding the bricks and making a ton of money, or just doing it for yourself for the discount. They will support you in anything you want. So I really would like you to join Stamping Up. I'd like you to join the Happening Stampers. We're a really great team. All you have to do is go to marytroutner.stampinup.net and click the button that says join the fun, and join the fun with me. If you have any questions, just contact me either on my Facebook page, Mary Troutner Stampin' Up, or just email me at Mary's Stamping, Mary's, Marys, Stamping at marysstamping.com. So I really hope you enjoy the team. The Happening Stampers are really a great bunch of women who love to stamp, and we love to get to know it. We have online classes, we have online meetings, we just have a barrel of fun. So hopefully you'll join. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping.